Cryo Wasp spray products can stop wasps instantly when used correctly on small nests, but they are not a universal fix and require careful technique. Use only labeled aerosol cryogenic sprays designed for insect control and follow the product directions for distance and spray duration precisely. The nozzle pattern and recommended standoff distance control how quickly the refrigerant cools the insects and helps avoid aerosol rebound. Treat nests at night when wasp activity is lowest and use a headlamp with a red filter or indirect light to avoid alarming insects. Approach quietly and plan an escape route before spraying. Wear personal protective equipment including long sleeves, gloves, eye protection, and a hood or face shield to reduce the chance of stings from startled survivors or falling nest debris. Apply a continuous burst to the visible nest entry points for the recommended time, then wait the prescribed dwell period to ensure deep cooling. If live wasps remain, repeat after the recommended interval rather than increasing spray force. After confirming inactivity by observing no movement for the product's specified wait time to reduce frozen revival risk, remove the nest carefully using tools that keep your hands away from the structure and place it in a sealed container or double bag before disposal. For nests larger than a few feet from ground level or for populations that persist after 2 treatments, arrange professional removal because commercial pest technicians have access to integrated approaches and equipment that are safer for complex or high-risk situations. Common problems include underestimating how many wasps are active and treating during daytime when many workers are away from the nest. The fix is to plan nighttime treatments and watch for residual flight after an initial application. Another issue is incorrect spray distance that either chills insufficiently or damages surrounding materials from frost. Solve this by measuring and marking the correct distance on your spray tool or using the product label target as a guide and practicing on a similar surface first. A third frequent concern is relying on a single quick burst and assuming the nest is neutralized. If the product instructs multiple passes or dwell times, follow those steps exactly and inspect from a safe distance before attempting removal. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical advice about projects like safe wasp nest removal. Our site also helps contractors find work and engage with peers in our discussion community where users and pros exchange tips and experiences.